for today's video, we are at Paraiso ni Baste na kasama ko kaibigan ko na magiging photographer ko. Guys, I can't see anything. Okay lang po kung mapasayan. Wag nga lang ito naman. Promise ko sa inyo. We will like if I was in Apple. Pose be, pose. Pipicturean kita. Pose. Okay, wag mo muna akong ipil. Ganyan mo lang. Tingnan mo na lang gagawin ko. Doon mo lang yung, dyan mo lang camera. Dyan lang. Dyan lang. If you know that you can rap, gotta give away the copy and beef. Oh, damn. Okay, ito po yung pangbata. At basang-basa na po cellphone ko. Wait lang, tingnan ko harap. Hindi pa rin basa, yes! Hindi pa masyadong basa! Your phone not gonna die. 1. Oo. 1. And let me go. Salunod na po ako. Okay, come here. Okay guys, for today, I'll be trying to make yung tinatawag ko kung mga bato. So, lalabas ko po doon para po ipakita sa inyo yung mga bato na na-collect ako dito. Okay? Come on. I can't see you. Follow me. Okay, wag na. Lagi kong nakakalimutan, te. Dito. Damn! Yeah? Damn! Now may rock collection. Dahil sa Paraiso. First, it's this smooth mini one. This one, which is kind of dirty.
Big and juicy.
But it looks like meat. Like, look at the clear parts. It looks like meat, diba?
But gray version.
Yes. And this one looks like ancient stone. Like, look at the shape. And this one is kind of just a normal rock. This one, I think this one broke. Just look.
Yeah, there's...
And this one shaped like a hot dog.
Yeah.
This one,
You can just paint this rock.
this one. Look. Just let them show it here. Okay? Wow.
So there are some glossy ones, white ones, and some that I don't know how to... But this one's rare. It has a mix of colors.
Look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna save this for me. Okay guys, tingnan nyo na po sila. Ayan.
Right.
Ang aesthetic. So, now, we're gonna ayusin po namin sila sa malaki to maliit. Malaki dito. Tulungan mo rin ako, te. Okay, fine. Wag na.
I'm holding the phone.
Malaki.
The phone might literally...
Maliit. And lahat na lang, inaano.
And I also found this rock.
But that's her, so hindi niya po dito ilalagay.
Yeah, mine.
Ako po, mamaya pa po ako pipili sa dito, pero papakita ko pa lang po sa inyo, okay? Popost ko na lang po sa shorts yung napili ko, okay? Okay, yan na lahat. Itatago. Okay. Tatago ko na po siya. Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka. Okay guys, so pag nilalamig po kayo, eto lang po gawin nyo. Upo lang po kayo dito. Or, pwede, nung OA kayo, bang.
Wow.
Or, yan, dyan ka lang. Dyan ka lang, pag yan talaga. Dyan ka nga lang, Shelly.
Yeah, she drowned herself.
Or that. So, that's all for today. So, that's goodbye. I'm just kidding. Gonna show you our cupcake. Our beautiful. Asya, may nahanap po dito lobo kasi po, ang dami po yung ngayong may birthday.
At mas marami pang pulis dito.
Ako nga po August 8 pero ngayon ko na lang po ginagawa yung party pero wala po talaga pumunta kasi may pasukan na kaagad bukas. So ngayon is Saturday. Saturday ngayon, di ba?
Sunday ngayon, be.
I meant Sunday
Be.
ng August at bukas is gonna be
18. I guess. 18.
Monday at 18. Okay? At August, okay? Pero birthday ko po talaga August 8. So, spam happy birthday! Spam happy birthday! Spam it!
At guys, abangan nyo po ang aking new product launch. Damn! Damn! Muntik na!